Hi, I'm Renato Lawigan, and this is my second video. And this video, I want to show you how to repair a dented panel using metal finishing. So this is my tools. This is my tooling. This is my body file. Bumping file. I'm sorry, bumping file. And this is the body file. This is the hammer. And this is the orbital. So before I start my work, I also make sure my safety. So I prepare all my safety equipment like this gloves. I use this glove, and then I use my mask, the mask, and then I use this eye protector, and then this one headphone. So before I start, I want to show you this damage area. This is the damage area. This one, and then I will remove the pen. Okay, I use that. Okay, I use it. This one. So that's it. The pen now is removed. Now, I start now to repair the dent area, the damage area. I using the dolly, and now I position the dolly at the back side of the shoot, like this. Okay? Now, I start now to dent. Now, I use now the amplifier. I try to finish this one. Now, I use again the pumping pipe because there is a little down. It's almost finished.
Malapit na.
Okay.
Ilang oras left?
Kaya magkakaroon tayo dito sa isang mga plate.
Ayan.
Okay, it's almost done. So, this is now the result of my repair.
It's the wrong runner.
It's now, is the result of my repair. And then, if you notice, there is a little down because we make it little down so that there is space for the body filler. So the last one is sanding again to prepare for apply a body filler. Okay, it's done. Finish.